Do you have silver to clean? We put some silver cleaning techniques to the test to help you know which ones really work. Let's start with the boiling method. In a pot, place a large piece of tinfoil in the bottom. Fill with a ratio of 4 cups of water and 1 tablespoon baking soda. Bring that mixture to a boil. Place your silver in the boiling water for 10 to 30 seconds and then carefully pull it out. It's pretty amazing to watch the tarnish literally disappear. Use a soft cloth to buff up the silver once it's completed. Next, I tried the baking soda and water paste method. Place 1/4 cup baking soda and 1 to 2 tablespoons of water into a bowl. Mix together to make a paste. Use a cloth and rub the mixture onto your silver. Rub away the tarnish. When you're finished, rinse it off. For the lemon lime soda method, pour the can of soda into a bowl and place your silverware in the bowl. Leave it set for 1 hour. I had hoped that the bubbles would help activate something to remove the tarnish, but when the hour was up, I was sad to say that this technique did not do anything. Next, I tried the hand sanitizer method. Pour hand sanitizer onto a cloth and rub on the tarnish. Unfortunately, this one did not do anything. However, it did remove fingerprints and gave it a nice shine. The toothpaste method quickly became one of my favorites. For this, you used regular toothpaste, not gel. Put the toothpaste onto a soft cloth and rub it onto the silver. Once the tarnish is gone, rinse it off. For the water and ammonia method, place 1 cup of warm water in a bowl. Add 1/2 cup ammonia. Stir and place the silver into the bowl. Let it soak for 10 minutes. When you're finished, use a cloth to wipe and rinse off. I found that it didn't completely come clean, but it did help make a difference. Vinegar and baking soda. Place 1/2 cup vinegar in a bowl with 2 tablespoons of baking soda and let soak for 2 to 3 hours. I found that I needed to use a scrub pad after the soaking, and that I was digging into the baking soda to do the scrubbing. So although this worked, I would maybe use the baking soda paste from earlier. Lemon juice, water, and powdered milk. In a dish, place 1.5 cups water, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, and 1/2 cup instant powdered milk. Mix together. It literally turns sour and looks kind of gross, just as a heads up. Let this soak overnight. The next day, take a cloth and wipe it clean. Once it's clean, rinse it off. This method worked pretty well and actually surprised me. As a special note, to stop the tarnish from coming back with regards to small items in silverware, place in Ziploc baggies and squeeze out as much air as possible. It's the air that causes the tarnish to come back.